Alright, here we are on the Arizona side of the Hoover Dam. We just parked and we're gonna go and see what it looks like from here. We'll have a bit of a vantage point of the road.
Well, I guess this is where we're looking at.
That's that. Oh well. Steve's gonna take a picture. Pretty impressive there. You can hear the helicopters. They've got helicopter tours. Look, there's 1, 2, 3 helicopters in the air right now.
Only $29.95.
So they say.
She didn't want to go though.
It's a liar.
What?